Hey guys, wheelchair operator here. Wanted to make a quick video on how I have my helmet set up now since it's changed since my last video. So up front here, instead of dual PVS 14s, I now have AB NightVision RNVGs. These were built by Glenn at NightVision Incorporated. For the helmet, still using the Team Wendy EXFIL LTP bump helmet, but I am getting the Team Wendy ballistic. One of the other bigger things that I've changed is I swapped out the ComTac 2s or 3s, I forget which ones I had, for the ComTac 4s. What I like about these is that they're a hybrid, so they go over the top of your ear, and then they have these little earbuds that go inside your ear. They still have ear protection, amplification, all that good stuff, and you can run comms. What I like the most, I think, about these is since they're hybrids and you put these little buds in your ear, you don't have to have these snap down, putting pressure on the side of your head if you don't want to. So I can snap those out and still get the benefits of being able to run comms and all that good stuff. So I did get the new Team Wendy helmet cover 2.0. This has a lot more features compared to their older style, a lot more Velcro, definitely way more modular, so I went ahead and upgraded that. On the side here, I now use the Princeton Tec MPLS. This has a pretty dim red visible light, and then it has a low and a high infrared light. What I like about this is I can twist it around and put that light wherever I want it to go, and then I can also take it off real quick since it is quick detach. Up top, have the SNS Manta strobe. This has visible, constant, visible strobe, and IR strobes. That is connected to my TNVC Mohawk. And then on the bottom of the Mohawk, I have my comms leads for my Peltors and my radios. And then I also have a IR chem light and some batteries in the back. On each side of the Mohawk, I now have the SNS V lights, and these are just visible lights. On each side, they have constant on, and then they also have strobes. And what I really like about these is that they're cheap, they're lightweight, and then I can also take one of these off and put it on my plate carrier, something like that, whatever I choose to do with them. So they do have a bit of modularity there. Aside from that, I think that's about it. Still running the Wilcox L4 G24 mount. It's pretty good. I like it. I think it's one of the best ones out there. And yeah, up front with the new Team Wendy helmet, they put Velcro up here so I can run blood type patches or anything that I want, IR reflective glow patches up here, whereas you didn't have that option before. So aside from that, I think that's about it. Guys, thanks for watching. If you like what you see here, definitely subscribe. Get down in the comments, let me guys know what you'd like to see next. Share this out, and stay posted. And I really appreciate all the support that I've had so far. It really means a lot. So thanks guys.